In this video, I want to show how to raise pull requests to open source projects in GitHub. So I've been working on this open source project called Bruno, which is a lightweight Postman alternative. And I have to implement the feature to drag and drop items. And I was checking out this library, which is React D&D, and they have a fantastic tutorial on how to set up a chess game and to demonstrate how to do drag and drop. And I was going through their tutorial, and in the tutorial there is a point where they introduce this overlay component, but have not defined the overlay component anywhere. To me, I was practicing this tutorial and I knew what that overlay component was, but it's not there in the documentation here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise a pull request to improve the documentation, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go to the React D&D project, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fork this project. So I'm going to fork this into my repository here. Okay, once this is done, now what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to actually clone it to my local and then raise a pull request. I'm going to do it all on the web. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit dot. What that does is that this opens up this entire project in github.dev, and we have a VS Code instance here, and you can edit this. So let's wait for this to open up. And I already know where I have to make this change. So I'm just going to packages, I'm going to the doc site, I'm going to the markdown, I'm going to docs, I'm going to the quick start, and I'm going to the tutorial. This shouldn't be that difficult to figure out. For most parts, you should be able to easily know where this tutorial is being present in this doc in the repository. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, let me actually find that overlay, right? So we have overlay here, but they've not defined what that overlay is. So I'm going to the my code that I just wrote 10 minutes back. I'm going to copy this, come back here, and update that here. This looks good. And I'm going now to the Git here. Okay, I'm going to make a commit saying that I'm going to improve the tutorial, and I'm going to commit those changes. Now the changes are committed. Let me go back to github.com, and I have a commit, and I am ahead of the React D&D project's main branch. So I'm going to click contribute here, and I'm going to click open pull request. So this is just a quick thing, and let me see the files that are changed. It's just a simple file, right? So this looks good. Sorry, let me just click on that again. What I'm going to do now is that excellent. I'm gonna implement this in Bruno, and I really like this. So excellent project. I implemented the I was practicing the chess game tutorial. And I saw that the overlay component is not defined in the tutorial. Have added it in the PR. Cheers. Let's do that. Look at the preview ones. That looks good. And I'm going to create that pull request. Okay, great. So we have the pull request done, and I think this is I hope this is a good, this shows you how to start. And I think I would advise you, contributing to docs is a great way of starting contributing to open source. And then once you get comfortable with this, then you can start picking projects where you can contribute code or do bug fixes. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much.